How to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, you may open up your WhatsApp application. And then once you open up WhatsApp, you should be finding the chats interface once you are logged in. So the next step you can apply up is click on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen from WhatsApp. And from the given options, look for the option of settings from the menu, which is on the last and tap on it. And then once you tap on it here, it will show you different options available. Look for the option of privacy. Under account, tap on it. And once you go over to privacy, you should be finding different options, including the option of read receipts. So all you gotta do is, if you have this option turned on, it will show people that you have received or read the messages. So if you want to turn this off and not let people know that you've read the messages, all you gotta do is simply turn on off this toggle option like this, and you won't send or receive read receipts. And read receipts are always sent for group chats, so you may just go ahead and turn off this option. And once that's done, whenever you head back to your chat and read someone's messages, they won't be getting notified that you have read their messages. So this is it. You may follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in next video.